This video is about matrix multiplication, how one matrix can be multiplied by another matrix. So that's what I'm going to talk about next. Multiplication of a 3 by 3 matrices. So in this case the matrix A is a 3 by 3 matrix and the matrix B is also 3 by 3 matrix. The matrix multiplication AB is possible and the order of the resultant matrix will be 3 by 3. So now coming to the method which can be followed to multiply these two matrices. So the method is, first you have to multiply the first row of the matrix A by the first column matrix B, then by the second column matrix B, and then by the third column matrix B. When you are finished with the first row of matrix A, you have to come to the second row of matrix A. So multiplying that second row by the first column matrix B, then by the second column matrix B, and then by the third column matrix B. When you are finished with the second row, you have to come to the third row of matrix A, which in this case is the last row. So multiplying that last row or third row by the first column matrix B, then by the second column matrix B, and then by the third column matrix B. So that's the whole procedure that can be followed in matrix multiplication. So let's begin and start multiplying the first row of matrix A by the first column matrix B. So the first row is 0, 1, 9 and the first column of matrix B is 1, 3, 2. That is equal to 0 times 1 plus 1 times 3 plus 9 times 1. What we did is that we multiplied the first row and the first column element wise. So multiplying and adding them together we get 21. So this elemental value, what will be its position in the resultant matrix? So its position will be 1, 1, that is first row and first column. And the reason is that we have multiplied the first row of matrix A with the first column matrix B. Therefore its position will be 1, 1, first row and first column. So inserting this 21 value in its position. Now multiplying the first row with the second column of matrix B, so 0, 1, 9 multiplied by 3, 1, 4. So carrying out the element wise multiplication, that is equal to 0 times 3 plus 1 times 1 plus 9 times 4, and that is equal to 37. So what will be its position? Its position will be 1, 2, that is first row and second column. For the same reason that because we have multiplied the first row with the second column. So putting 37 at its position. Now multiplying the first row with the third column, that is 0, 1, 9 multiplied by 7, 0, 1, and that is equal to 0 times 7 plus 1 times 0 plus 9 times 1. So adding them and multiplying them, we get 9. So we are done with the first row of matrix A. Now we start multiplying the second row of matrix A with the first column, then with the second column, and then with the third column. So now multiplying the second row of matrix A by the first column matrix B, that is 3, 1, 5 multiplied by 1, 3, 2. So carrying out that element wise multiplication, that is equal to 3 times 1 plus 1 times 3 plus 5 times 2 is equal to 16. So what will be its position? Its position will be second row first column, because we have multiplied the second row of matrix A by the first column matrix B. So inserting this 16 value at its position. Now multiplying the second row by the second column. So 3, 1, 5 multiplied by 3, 1, 4 is equal to 3 times 3 plus 1 times 1 plus 5 times 4 is equal to 30. So its position will be 2, 2. So now multiplying the second row by the third column, 3, 1, 5 multiplied by 7, 0, 1 is equal to 3 times 7 plus 1 times 0 plus 5 times 1 is equal to 26. And its position will be 2, 3, because second row and third column are multiplied. Now third row of matrix A and multiplying it by first column, second column, and third column. So multiplying third row by the first column, that is 2, 1, 7 multiplied by 1, 3, 2 is equal to 2 times 1 plus 1 times 3 plus 7 times 2 is equal to 19. And its position will be 3, 1, that is third column and first row. So putting 19 at position 3, 1. Now multiplying third row by second column, that is 2, 1, 7 multiplied by 3, 1, 4 is equal to 2 times 3 plus 1 times 1 plus 7 times 4 is equal to 35, and its position will be 3, 2, that is third row and second column. So putting 35 at its position. Finally multiplying third row by third column, that is 2, 1, 7 multiplied by 7, 0, 1 is equal to 2 times 7 plus 1 times 0 plus 7 times 1 is equal to 21, and putting it at final position, that is 3, 3. So the final matrix that comes out as a result of multiplication of matrix A and B, which are both 3 by 3 matrices, is 21, 37, 9, 16, 30, 26, 19, 35, 21, which is a 3 by 3 matrix. So that's how you multiply 3 by 3 matrices. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if the video helped you, give it a thumbs up, comment any question you might have, and subscribe for more.